So this is going to be a quick how to cut a hexagon on a chop saw. I'm going to cut it out of this old scrap piece of plywood. My hexagon is going to have 4-inch sides on it. So the first step, set your saw to 30 degrees. Lock it in. So my saw is now set to 30 degrees. You can see the laser on there. So this isn't fitting anything particular, so I can just kind of be rough where I want to start, but just as long as I have a 4-inch run, will fit on this edge of the wood. So now I'll just follow through. Now I'll just mark 4 inches on that edge. Nice and accurately. Now I'll put the side I just cut against the fence. Line my blade up with my mark I just made at 4 inches. I'll measure 4 again. Put that last cut edge against there. Follow through again. I'm actually just going to cut this off a little long out of the way. I should have done this. Measure 4 inches here again. Four inches again. And there you go. Perfect hexagon. 6-sided. All symmetrical. Easy as can be. Thanks for watching.